This might be the crispiest fried chicken you'll ever see, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make it. Alright guys, so today I'm showing you how to make the best fried chicken ever. Crispy on the outside, juicy and flavorful on the inside. I'm using 4 pieces of chicken, 1 leg, 1 wing, 1 thigh, and a breast that I cut in half. Alright, so first thing first, we're going to start off by seasoning our chicken. I season my chicken with 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning and mix that in really good, you know, nice and proper. Then I pour in about a half cup of hot sauce, your favorite hot sauce. You know, that's what's gonna give you that extra kick, that nice kick, and help it tenderize, you know, the meat. I let this marinate for at least 1 hour, guys. 1 hour, or if you have time, just let it marinate overnight for the maximum flavor. Yeah, man. So now for the flour mix, I used 3 cups of flour, right? All-purpose flour. I added 1 teaspoon of Sazon seasoning, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Add that to the flour mixer and mix it in nice and proper. Now the next step is to coat your chicken. Coat your marinated chicken evenly in the flour mixer, all right? Make sure every piece is well covered. Next, I heat up 3 cups of vegetable oil until it's nice and hot, and turn your stove to medium-high heat. All right, so to bring that island flavor, I drop in some fresh thyme, habanero pepper, and a few garlic cloves. You know, that's gonna give the oil a beautiful aroma. Yeah, man, so it's that time. Now you wanna drop in your chicken and fry your chicken for a total of 14 minutes, and that is 7 minutes per side. You know, your chicken is gonna be crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and packed with a bunch of flavor. So this is a fun fact. Did you know fried chicken wasn't even invented in America? It actually came from Scottish frying traditions mixed with African seasoning styles. That's how the magic started, guys. Flavor and culture coming together in one bite, and that's exactly what this recipe is about. Guess what, guys? The average American eats over 80 pounds of chicken every year, fried chicken every year. And I think I might be personally responsible for that. All right, guys, so the chicken is ready to go. You just want to place it on a paper towel just to soak up some of that extra oil. Then we're going to let it cool for about 5 minutes. Time for that taste test, guys. I already know it's crunchy, spicy. Oh my God. Packed with a bunch of flavor, guys. Cool it down a little bit. Oh my God. So good. Guys, let me tell you. It's crunchy, crispy, you know, it's soft on the inside, and it's spicy. You know, the flavor is crazy right now, guys. Trust me, this is a must-try recipe. If you enjoyed watching the video, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Until next time, see you in the next video. And there you have it, guys. Perfectly seasoned, crispy fried chicken every single time. Try this recipe and thank me later. It's a flavor guarantee.